You guys are not going to believe this, but Alex G took his account from $100 to $1,000,000 in 90 days. That's insane.
Right now.
How
much are we up? 600. Fuck.
Alright, yeah.
There you go. History.
Hold up.
Is it focusing? Is it focusing?
Yeah. Put it a little higher. Yeah, there you go.
You want it higher than that? Huh?
Give it up for Alex G, man. That was dope. So what does this say for traders like you and I? If Alex G can take if Alex G can take $100 and turn that into $1,000,000 within 3 months, what does that tell you for traders like you and I? This means we can do it too. Now, you may not be able to turn $100 to $1,000,000 in 3 months. This comes with a lot of experience, a lot of focus. And of course, if you think about it, he doesn't have a full-time day job, so he can focus on trading whenever he wants to. So I don't recommend anybody doing this unless you have money you're willing to lose. But it's mind-blowing to know that you can actually make money and turn that money into something real quick. So the question remains, does the get-rich-quick scheme, does this video prove that to be not true anymore? Because obviously, homeboy just turned $100 into $1,000,000 in 3 months. And literally, if you are broke, you are considered rich at that point. I wouldn't say that get quick rich scheme is all a lie. I would say majority of it, of course, is a lie, because who can actually make money that fast unless you have a lot of capital, right? But this is just proven to all of us that it's all possible, that we can do it too. But it requires discipline. You can go watch that video. It requires focus. It requires sticking to your trading plan. And you're going in aggressively. It's not like you're sitting here risking very, very tight, right? Like you're not, your stop loss is not very tight. It's kind of big in a way. And your risk is a little bit up there. Even though the goal is to risk less and win more, you're still risking a lot to make a lot. But this is the reason why people should give their flowers to people who can do things like this, because that will actually show you that people who've been in the trading industry for a long time and have been doing it for a while know what they're doing. And I believe that traders who actually put their all into this game, put their entire focus on trading to get the job done, will 9 times out of 10 become successful traders. But traders who aren't willing to put in the work, who are lazy, who don't want to see the possibility of flipping their accounts, which I would then again caution everybody to know not to do this, because this is not long-term substantial. This is not something that you want to rely on doing. But it's still possible. I wouldn't say that he's the first to do it either, but I would say he's one of the few traders that have done it out of probably 90% of traders. But this is crazy, man. Again, shout out to Alex G. And if you ever watch this video, man, shout out for you to doing that, because you're giving people hope to know that you can do this stuff. And you know what? Don't even worry about the haters, because people are always going to say, oh, that's a fake account. That's a demo account, right? How about this? I don't care if it was a demo account. If you could take $100 to $1 million, even off a demo account, what does that tell you as a trader? Right? That makes you a legit trader. But he even said it in his video, guys, that this is not substantial. This is not something you want to consistently do, right? And I believe he failed about 3 or 4 times before he actually was successful, right? In this 3-month period, 90 days or 60 days, one of them. Man, this is just really mind-blowing. So this should actually encourage you guys to get on the ball. It's possible. Some of you guys want to stop working at your job and actually do something with your life and business. You don't want to no longer be a slave to your job. I understand that. And for those who are working their job, their full-time job, there's nothing wrong with you working your full-time job. But if you're complaining about your job and you're complaining about always working and you're wanting to do something with your life, well, here it is. Here's your chance. Here's your opportunity to get your hands dirty and start multiplying. Right? Man, that Alex G, man. Hey, you got to give him his flowers. There's not many traders who can do that. The possibilities of that actually happening. Hold on for a second, it's my wife. Hey, babe, I am on a important podcast right now. Many traders aren't willing to plan their trades, their outcomes, their strategy. They just wing it and just go into it. You can't do that as a trader. If you want to change your life, you're going to have to make some hard changes, all right? It's time for you to flip and man up and do the work, right? I mean, this video has inspiration written all over it. I don't understand why traders hate on other traders for actually making it in the industry. There's a reason why he's doing what he's doing, right? There's a reason why a lot of traders who make it in the industry are where they are today. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that traders who are gurus don't sit here and sometimes just take your money and actually aren't making money trading, but they're making money from all the signups, all the courses. That's totally fine as well, because that's what you call marketing, right? And if anybody joins their courses or anybody joins their private group and they make money off of that, well, guess what? They're still a winner. Why? Because the information that they gave that trader helped change their lives. The only time I ever call out traders, which I've never have called out traders, but people who come onto this channel assume that I call out traders just because I have their face on a thumbnail, when in reality, they don't understand that when you are putting gurus on your thumbnail, it's associated with a guru or associated with traders. So they automatically assume, right? The only time I call somebody out for doing something like this, if I know for a fact that they are not legit. And ladies and gentlemen, Alex is legit. He's legit. But I'm telling you guys, this is the way to be paved. And if you as a trader are watching this video and you don't know how to change your life, I'm telling you, it can be done. Just the other day, me and my boo are going on vacation. I said, okay, I'm going to make some more money so we can have more money to take with us to vacation. Made a quick $700, withdrew that. Wifey is excited. Plain and simple. Not that it was hard. It wasn't easy. Difficult to trade. Absolutely. It's difficult. The markets aren't always going to be on your side. But I put in the work. I believed in the system, and I did it. So what is stopping you from doing what Alex did? And I'm not saying, and I'm encouraging you to go and flip $100 to $1 million or $2 million or $50,000. I'm not saying that. But what's stopping you from actually being confident as he was? What's stopping you from actually making the changes in your life and differences when it comes to investing your financial situation? When people say you can't, if you can't get your finances in order, then you will never be able to be a good trader. 50-50. The reason why they say that is because a lot of people who don't manage their money well will probably translate that into trading, which is agreeable. But that doesn't mean that you cannot pick up a good habit and become a better financial investor by starting in trading. So, anyways, this is mind-blowing. I reacted to this video because that is dope. And to be honest, I might do it. I'm encouraged to do it. Not saying that I can do it or not saying that's going to happen, but I have faith that I can do this. Why? Because my system is simple, it works, and I believe in it. So if you're watching this video, I would like for you to be encouraged and challenge you to go back, review Alex G's video. Now, don't get FOMO. Don't say like, "Oh, I need to do exactly what he's doing." I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is put in the time, put in the work, see how he's done it, be inspired by it, apply it to your life, go out there and change your life, because I'm telling you, trading Forex is where it's at. Whether you trade Forex, stocks, futures, I don't care. Trading is where it's at. So hopefully this video was helpful. Please leave a comment. What are your thoughts about the video that I just showed you? What are your thoughts about the words that was just given to you? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.